Hey guys, Asupanda here at Asupanda Media. I hope you guys are doing well. So, good news for everyone who wanted to stream on Instagram directly through OBS and couldn't because you couldn't get the stream URL or the stream key because Instagram didn't have its own live producer. But now it does, just like Facebook. So, all that you need to do is go to Google and search for Instagram live producer, and there you go. As you scroll down, you can see how you can go live using streaming software, technical requirements, the aspect ratio, and the FPS right there, the resolution, video bitrate, 2250 to 6000, your audio format, and basic steps to set up. Log into your Instagram, hit the create button. You get an option to go live there. Once you do that, it gives you an option to choose your audience, public, practice, right? Let's leave it at public. Let's add a title there as test. There you go. Once you've done that, ideally it should give you your stream URL and your stream key. Yes, there you go. So now you have a stream URL, stream key directly from Instagram. All that you need is to copy that and paste it in OBS. Now you go to open OBS project.com, download OBS Studio, set it up. I have a different video for that if you would like to see. I'll leave the link in the description. There you go. Once the OBS set up, you open the settings, go to stream. Now this is where you select custom as service. Copy your URL, bring it here. There you go. This gives you the server. Now let's copy paste the key. Please do not share your custom URL and stream key with anyone because they can use it and they can go live on your page, right? You don't want that to happen. So anyways, once you do that, just hit OK. Now the orientation here is 16 by 9 landscape. We need to change it to portrait. So what we do is, there you go. We need to change it to 720 by 1280, right? Let's go back, go to video, enter it manually, 720 into 1280. Your output should be similar to your base canvas. Once you do that, just hit. I have left the OBS FPS at 60, right? It's up to you. You can choose to be at 30 or video bitrate right there at 6000K because that is the maximum that it allows. And it depends upon what configuration your PC, computer, Mac is at. So what your system will support, right? Once you do that, now we need to add a video capture device right there. I'm using my DSLR, which I use through my cam link, right? Once you do that, there you go. You can shrink it and adjust it manually, or you can just, let's say, fit to screen, right? And you can adjust that manually. I like to leave that space on top and bottom because you can add maybe a title there or a logo right there, right? So once you do that, you can lock the preview back up again so it doesn't change. Right, there you go. So all that you need is just start streaming from here. And ideally, this should show up in your Instagram live producer. Okay. So let's wait for that preview to come. Right. It's connecting, connect stream software, go live. All right. There you go. It's taking a bit. Anyways, so there you have it. So now you can, that is a feed that is coming from your OBS, and just hit go live there. Once you do that, there you are. Now you are live on Instagram. This is where your comments show up. There is an event log right there, which gives you details about your stream. Once you're done with your session, you have to end the live video right there. It gives you an option to discard. Does not give you an option to download the video. It says it might be in your archive. So you have to check that. But now you can just go ahead and stream just like that. Once you're done, remember to stop streaming from OBS. Once that's done, there you go. So yeah, as simple as that now. So basically, because of the Instagram Live Producer right there, now you can directly stream from your OBS software directly to Instagram. So you don't need to use anything third party, right? Which makes life a little easier for everyone. I have a detailed video on how to set up OBS and how to get the best out of it, depending upon what system configuration you might have. So you can choose to watch that as well. But I hope this video helps you in some way or the other. If it does, please hit that like button. I am always looking for feedback. Please mention in comment section if there is anything else that you would like to see or inquire about, or should I make a video on that. So your suggestions are most welcome. Please do subscribe to the channel as well and help us grow. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.